Very good evening traders, welcome to MSD School of Trading. Today let us show you how to use our MSD iCore 2.0. So initially if you have subscribed to indicator on monthly basis or lifetime basis, so now our indicator is available in invite only mode. So you have to press the plus button here. Once you click on the plus button, you will be getting the options like drawings, indicators, alerts, compare and everything. You have to click on to FX, that is invite only option. Then in the invite only our indicator will be available. So you select, if you have added MST ICO 2.0, the 2.0 will be available. If you have subscribed for MST ICO 2.0 premium, that will be available. So I am adding 2.0 premium, that's all. So my indicator is added here. So by default, how it looks like, see here, by default it looks like this only. So which means what I am showing you, once the market is over, but I can replay the market. Okay, I am replaying the market as though market is started just now. So now this is the levels we are getting for the yesterday. Okay, for today just market has opened, but we will not be trading immediately. So we will be waiting for some time. See here, that's all. Now we can ready. Now we can trade. So once the day has been started, immediately the four lines will be formed. Upper side 2 line, bottom side 2 line. So in the bottom side, if market comes to 8464 first, then we will be in a buy trading. If market goes to 8587, we will be in sell side. Per day only one trade. If buy activated, there is no sell. If sell activated, there is no buy, unless the sell hit. Okay, suppose say today sell activated at 8587, our stop loss will be 8625. If it is giving target of minimum 1:1 ratio, it is well and good. If it is not giving the target, then we have to book the loss at 8625 and immediately we have to go for the reversal buy. This is one option. Otherwise, if you are dare, if you don't have no that confidence to go immediate second buy, then you can wait for any price action pattern if you know, or you can follow the R3C what we have taught you. Otherwise, simply blindly you can follow the strategy, that is if SL hit, immediately you have to go for the reversal entry with the double lots. Otherwise, minimum you have to take one lot so that the loss of the day will be recovered. So now market has opened and four lines have been formed. Now let us see what had happened in the day. So now I have enabled MSTI 2.0 only. So the 2.0 and 2.0 premium, the difference is only one, that is a market type. Okay, so now it is almost nearing to our entry, but it is not yet activated. Not yet activated. Now it is activated. So once the market has been came down to buy entry at 8467, 8464, our buy has been activated. Since buy activated, now we are going to remove the sell entry. See here now. Why I have enabled both buy targets and sell targets? Because we know if loss comes, that is if SL hit at 8426, we will be reversing our trade to sell side. That is our entry for the sell will be 8426 and target will be 8388. Now buy has been activated. Let us see whether it is giving target or not. If it is giving target at 8502, our trade will be over and we can exit from the market. Suppose if you want to trade more, you keep the stop loss to cost and wait for the second target. Once second target has been hit, move the stop loss to first target and wait for the third target. So likewise you can get more profit. So now I am running the market again. Now what happened? It is coming down. We are in loss now. So 20 points we are in loss. Now it is going back. It is going back, nearing the target. Yeah, first target has been hit. That's all. So if you want, you can exit from the market. Otherwise, you can hold for the more profit by revising the stop loss. Otherwise, you can take 3 lot initially. So you can book the first lot at the first target, second lot at the second target, and third lot at the third target. It is up to you. It is going. Second target is also hit. It is nearing to third target. So let us see whether we are getting third target or not. Okay. Nearing the third target, but it is coming down. So we missed the third target. Again, yeah. Now it is perfectly. Third target also hit. Third target also hit perfectly. See here, third target perfectly hit. So if you want to know the extended targets, now we have the option. Come down in the settings. In the settings, scroll down. Here you can see first by target 4. You can enable first by target 5. Okay. So now how many targets hit? Almost 5 targets exactly hit. So our trading of the day has been over as per 2.0. Now let me show you the benefit of MST 2.0 premium. What is the premium? See here, morning we got the buy entry as per 2.0 and all the targets hit. See here, I said if buy activated, there is no sell unless the SL hit. SL is not hit today, so we should be in a buy side only in the morning session. So in premium mode, we have this extra facility, that is market type. So we have default, noon, evening, night, NSE tomorrow, MCX tomorrow, then morning, late noon, late evening, late night, Forex and Forex 1 and 2. So we can divide the MCX market into two, that is morning market and evening market. So now this is the evening market. Again I will run the market from the evening session, that is after 5 p.m. So now let us see what has happened. Market has been opened. Now the lines got formed. Note here, already as per MST 2.0 we got the trade buy entry, we got the profit. All the targets have been hit. Okay. Now we are going to trade as per evening session. Same strategy we have to follow. If it is coming to the upper line first, we will be selling. If it is coming to bottom line, we will be buying. So the top second line will be the SL and bottom second line will be the SL for the buy entry. Okay, the same strategy you have to follow for every day, for everything. So now we are going to trade as per evening market. Now let us see what happened. So we have to wait either to get activate sell entry or buy entry. So it is coming nearby to our buy entry. It is not reached to buy entry. Yeah, see here, sell entry has been activated. Now what is the sell entry point? 8653. And what is our sell high made? Exactly 8653. So this perfection when we got, see here, market has opened at 5 o'clock something here, 5:15, okay, 5:15, and immediately our lines got formed here. So we know at the 5:15 p.m. that if market is coming to 8653, we will be selling. If market is coming to 8520, we will be buying. See, market has reached 8653 only at 7:15, but we got to know at 5:15, 2 hours before itself, we are ready with the order. Okay, so this is the feature of our indicator. See here, after 2 hours, it is not changing, right? It is not changing, the levels is not getting changed, it will never change. Okay, this is not a repainting indicator. So now what you have to do, since sell activated, we have to remove the buy entry. So come here, say and remove the first buy and second sell. You enable first sell target, second buy, second sell targets. Why second buy and second sell target, second buy and second buy target? If SL hit, we should go for the reversal entry. Okay, that's all, nothing. So now what settings I have kept? See here, I have changed only the market type. So as per default, all the targets have been hit. Now I am going to trade in the evening session also. So I have kept the evening session. So if you want, you can change it to tiny SL or very tiny SL or normal SL. It is up to you. So by default, you can follow. Okay. So now again, I'm running the market. So what happened? Now market is still running, right? All the three targets have been achieved in the sell side. Now if you want to know the extended target, come here down and select first sell target 4 and first sell target 5. There are 4 extra targets we have given. So depending on the volatility, you can enable the extended targets. So now as of now, how many targets have been hit? 4 targets perfectly hit. From 8653 to the low made was 8488. So 12 plus 53 points, 55, 65 points profit we have got so far. Not 54, 8488, no, 8653 to 8488. So 160 plus points we have got the profit. How many points? 160 points in an evening entry. See the high is exactly 8653. See our sell entry, it is exactly 8653. So this perfection you will never get in any indicator. So this is why the accuracy is. People are asking for accuracy. This is our accuracy. So both side, in default also we got the entry, we got the target. In evening market also we got the entry and we got the targets. Okay. So please watch this video. If you have any doubts, please ask us at the given number 9500009154. You can WhatsApp us. You can send Telegram message also. And what is the another features we have given here? See here you can select any session. Okay, if you want to trade as per 9:15 to 9:30 breakout. So now come here and set your timing 9:30 to 9 to 9:30. So after that, here come down, here we have given select session high and session low. This is session center and this is session low. So if we select all these things, then it will show you that the high and low of the selected session. So that also you can trade. It is up to you. Okay. So there are some people who will trade based on the breakout. So for that breakout, you can use this method. For Bank Nifty, Nifty and all, they will use. See here in the Bank Nifty today, first 15 minutes high is not broken. I means what? It is not closed above. And if you see as per our indicator, I show you in the noon session. See here, exactly sell activated, then buy activated, then it came down. I got the targets. So exactly whichever is activated first, that side only we have to consider. So first what happened? Sell only got activated. See here, almost all the targets have been hit in the Bank Nifty also. The same thing I can keep on show you in all the script, same thing would have happened. What we are telling, if you are following this indicator, you have to select any particular script and you have to keep trading on that script. Don't change the script every day. So once you have subscribed our indicator, you will be getting lifetime support, lifetime indicator updates are free. So now we are giving you lifetime validity at a 50% discount. Lifetime validity at a 50% discount, and yearly plan also is there, monthly plan also is there. So whichever you want, you can subscribe by contacting this number. See in the indicator itself we have given the number. 2 numbers have been given, and our website imessageschool.co.in. MST School is the web page. You can visit there. So all our details will be available over there. Thank you all for watching our video. If you have any doubts, please ask us through WhatsApp message first, then call us. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best.